Diabetes is a very notorious disease. It attacks your small, tiny blood vessels, capillaries in the back of your eyeballs. And that's how it causes the damage. Because if you imagine, if there is a blood flowing, like if you get a glass of water, right? And there is the plain water in that. Another glass of water and you put sugar in that. Obviously, the one with the sugar will be more stickier, more heavier, more thicker. So that's what is happening to the people who are diabetics. Their blood is thicker, more sweet, right? And this sugar doesn't just stay in the blood vessel. It penetrates into the surrounding cells, because all the blood vessels are made out of cells. But in the beginning, when it comes out from the heart, it's very strong, very big blood vessels. But as you keep on going and blood vessels keep on getting thinner and thinner and thinner until they become small capillaries, that's what they call. So these are like only single cell is making their walls. So the sugar starts flowing into these single cells. Now, in the cell itself, cell is big, but in the center there is nucleus, which holds our chromatic material. All the chromosomes and genes and everything is hidden in that nucleus. But the surrounding there is cytoplasm, which is like a gel-like structure. That makes the whole cell. So these gel-like structures get filled with sugar. So the gel-like structure is called cytoplasm, where all these important processes are happening. But since there is too much sugar, it cannot function. So the cell dies. The cell dies, but there is a flow of blood continuously going. So naturally, it's going to keep on ballooning up. So the blood vessel will start becoming weak and at some point will rupture. Now, a tiny capillary breaks over in the fingers or toes, not a big deal. You may have a little blood, it will seal itself. But in the back of your eyeball, there is a place called macula, where all the things that we see, it gets focused onto macula. From that, there is an optic nerve that takes you all the way to the brain, and you can see everything. It interprets what you saw. But imagine a single drop of blood drops right there in front of macula, you can't see.
Right. So the capillary is the size of your hair or thinner than that?
Thinner than hair.